Hello and welcome to First Academy. Today I want to teach you how to make questions in French. As you know, we have two types of questions. We have yes-no questions or closed questions and double-edged questions or open questions. So the first type belongs to yes-no questions. All you need to do is to change your intonation. So imagine I say, tu aimes le chocolat? You like the chocolate. Then if I want to change it to a question, all I need to do is to say, tu aimes le chocolat? Rising, huh? Tu aimes le chocolat? Then the second method is for both types of questions. All I need to do is to add est-ce-que at the beginning of our sentence. So imagine I want to say, tu aimes le chocolat? You like the chocolate? Then I change it to, est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Do you like chocolate? Est-ce que tu aimes le chocolat? Then if I want to say, when do you come? I can say, quand est-ce que tu viens? Quand is when. Est-ce que tu viens? Tu viens is like you come. Then the third method is called inversion Subject-verb or Subject-verb inversion. So all you need to do is to change the place of your subject and your verb. So if I say tu aimes le chocolat, tu is my subject and then aime is my verb. All I need to do is to change the place of these two and add a tiny dash between them. So it's going to be aimes-tu le chocolat? Aimes-tu le chocolat? So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you and bye.